as I listened to my brother Museveni's national state address, in which he made a mockery of me, and he even laughed after his son had captured me, disrespected me, and mistreated me in his whatever they call it. But as I was considering and calling upon my God to help me and calm me down, he reminded me of the story of Abel and Cain. When, after killing his brother, Cain declared to God that he was not a keeper of his brother. So I imagined my brother Museveni was revealing to the state that he's not the keeper of his sister. So now, I would like to remind my brother of that very curse that God declared upon Cain, and invite him to respond to God like Cain responded when his sentence was a bit reduced. Otherwise, I am praying for him. I forgive him and his son, because they do not know what they are doing.